could soon make a decision on whether the homeless can camp on sidewalks. KPX5's Wilson Walker on the decade-long legal battle.
Do you have a constitutional right to sleep on a sidewalk? What about a city park? Well, we may very soon learn if those questions will be taken up by the United States Supreme Court.
I mean, we've been working on, basically making that same argument that it's not fair to move people if they have nowhere to go. For decades, frankly.
For homeless advocates, it was a tremendous victory when the 9th U.S. Circuit Court ruled it was unconstitutional for the city of Boise, Idaho, to move homeless people simply for sleeping on public property.
They really want municipalities to relocate them in a thoughtful and humane way, and if they're going to be moving them, having somewhere for people to go.
With the residents that are here paying their taxes, looking for a clean sidewalk, want to walk their children to school, emails and phone calls said, Mr. Gaia, we want to use our neighborhood park, but now you have people camped out, drugged.
Oakland in particular has been wrestling with the fallout from last year's decision. The city has been trying to use some 20 separate ordinances to clear spots that residents report as troublesome, and protesters have openly defied the city's position on camp removal.
It's become a challenge legally. We're always in court in terms of clearing the encampment.
So now the court will decide whether or not to review this question, and cities across the country will be watching.
As long as municipalities are allowed to push people from block to block, there's never going to be the political will to actually solve the problem.
If the court does take this up, clearly it will have
it will have a great impact on every city in the country.
So when will we know if the court is going to take up this case? Court watchers say a decision could come as soon as Monday. In San Francisco, Wilson Walker, KPX5.